So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to can overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, you know, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, you know, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching, and I was driving an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and even that wasn't that great. You know, I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer. And I got in a motorcycle accident, crushed my foot, ended up having to go to the hospital, and I was in the hospital for a week. Other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and like reset. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break. And I knew I wasn't going to get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off or vacations. I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. It's harder on me. If you're really worried about, you know, your interactions online, get a VPN and then say you're coming from the UK, because every website, I'm a website programmer, I know this, every website has super strict GDPR rules now, and we try to have the least amount of restrictions on the cookies that we can run, the scripts we can run. So any edge, any inch that we can get to like add another script on the page or add another cookie, we'll do it, because it's better for marketing purposes. It's better for dynamic content, that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not really like nefarious, but if you want to be safe, GDPR makes it almost impossible for websites to track anything without explicit consent. That's the difference. GDPR rules, they require you to opt in, whereas California and all these other laws, they require you to opt out. But on first load, you're getting tracked, right? All right, let's see if you can guess the song with screaming instead of singing. Did you get it? Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know, I like bod mod, so Yeah, Game Doodle told me about JavaScript based audio frequencies, and like it clicked in my head. I'm like, oh my god, I want to do like dynamic talking, change the frequencies based off of the word length and give it some sort of quirky talking mechanics. And that's what I did. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. I like it. Anyways, that's the old talking. What I changed was I added distortion using this Create Wave Shaper. It sounds like 8-bit music now. Now it sounds just like 8-bit. You've only lucid dreamed twice. Once when you were like 4. Honestly, I've had lucid dreams maybe like 40 or 50 times. Time is not a concept in dreams, but like it's usually right before I'm gonna wake up. Something weird happens. I'm not the kind of person that knows how to trigger it, but it triggers naturally for me. Maybe I'm just too, like I said, based in reality, too logical. I'm just like, what the hell is going on? I'm like, oh shit, I'm in a dream. And I know as soon as I realize I'm in a dream, the clock is ticking. So immediately start doing a bunch of shit. So I'm usually end up really trying to fly wherever I am, jumping off of wherever I am and just flying, or just gonna do something crazy. Depends where I am in the dream. I think it's really cool with the people that can trigger it mid-sleep. They're able to like have a decent amount of time within the dream, because like I said, mine are usually pretty rushed and I do whatever I want, and then I just slowly start to wake up, and then I'm like, ah shit, so close. I almost time traveled. COVID's been a massive trip. I mean, it's completely changed the world between the way people work, the way people travel, the accessibility to in-home services, the industries it created. I think it's definitely one of the reasons why the tech industry has thrived as much as it has, with the innovation it's bred, you know, accessibility to people working around the country, around the world. Technology's created just for that, you know? Nobody specifically created technologies that were super high quality just so people could work from home. Yeah, I'm super impressed by this virus is what I'm trying to say. I don't like people dying. I don't like people not being able to breathe. And I don't condone starting another pandemic just for new technology. But it took a war to create the internet. It took COVID to allow everybody to work from home. Always wanted to hear this song with some real screams. Let's give it a shot. Can't wait, wake up. I should have done the singing parts here too. Alright, well, that's better. Perfect timing. Perfect entrance. How the programmer can add security in the page. Only hey everybody. WordPress. Or are there more ways? Programmers need to. How goes it? It is I. Well, hello. The Orbem order. What is this weird light flashing? Why is there like a light flashing in front of me when I put my hand up? Okay. Sounds good, computer. Keep being weird. Just recorded like a banger 4-minute video explaining why you switched from React to T3. Nice. Speaking of tutorial and explainer videos, my buddy Scott Weaver. Oh, what? You can't hang out, heads? Alright, see you later.
They get so bored of me already. We got a new content creator creating amazing videos called C. Scott Dev. He used to create tutorials years ago, but he's getting back into it. And they're very appropriate for everything I like to do. So I highly suggest checking him out. Looks like he's actively creating new videos as we speak. But this is a good one for Next.js beginners. Very informative. He's got a really good way of explaining concepts and stuff like that. That just makes sense. And then this is the one that I just watched, is short. It's about Express.js, the benefits of Express.js versus Next.js. And that's what I'm going to use for my multiplayer WebSocket. Express.js, it's happening. He said this is possible, so when the time comes, that's what we'll use. Whoop. And again, that's C. Scott Dev. So yeah, you got dyslexia because you were tired last night and got pissed at your English teacher for no reason. Nice. What did you think of the stream? Oh, he joined. Yeah, I didn't get to join this time. Sorry. I'm renovating a bedroom, and I'm running out of time before the wife comes back in town. Pizza. Cool. Well, welcome you guys. Appreciate you all joining this fine Wednesday evening. Oh. I forgot to jump on myself. Much better. Alright. Oh, we've done so much. Yeah. You had Celsius earlier. That's that energy drink, right? What the? It's gotta be the light back here. Hold on. Okay. It's still too bright. No? Yeah? Is that better? Okay. That fixed it. Yeah. I don't know. I set up my backlight. I mean, I don't like it. That's a little better. I'm a little blind now, too, for looking at it, but... Bet you didn't have Celsius earlier, Kuzo. Mm. Yeah, it is. You got the fantasy vibes flavor. What? Is Celsius another influencer brand? Or is that not? That's just something. I know it's pretty popular. Sparkling Mandarin Marshmallow. So that's like orangey marshmallow. Is that like a creamsicle? Half and half? Sounds good. You know what else sounds good? Tell me. Tell me what sounds good. You guessed it. Motherfucking Scotch time. Ooh, it's Scotch time. Ooh, it's Scotch time. All right. We did it. Feeling much better today, by the way, if you can't tell. I think tomorrow I'm going to be pretty much back to normal. Still a little hacky, but man. Much better. Oh. 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 Orbem ASMR. You're still stuffed up? Damn, man, you've been sick forever. National bueno. Oh, man. So, Wednesday. Good. I'm a little behind on life, but I'm hoping to catch up tomorrow. Yeah, renovating a whole bedroom, like I said. And it's gonna be like... Have you ever seen a French castle? A French palace? That's what my wife wants in her bedroom. So, it's gonna be like nice ivory walls with framing attached to it and golden tin ceiling. And yeah, it's a lot of work. I got all the floor prepped up. I got all the walls primed. And I have began cutting all the framing pieces. Now I just have to finish cutting and then stick everything on the walls, put up the crown molding, and then I can paint. And then after I paint, I gotta put the ceiling on. Ooh, 5K dormants. You're halfway there, my friend. To a wonderful metal cover of your own. Unless you feel like donating 1,000 dormants to a Scotch tasting. Up to you. It's always very entertaining. I'll be honest. There is a Twitch account with 14,000 dormants almost. They could have their own metal cover if they wanted. Oh yeah, I forgot about the chess master. Nobody wants to play chess apparently. Oh shit. Let me restart. My bad. Whoop. Yeah, no one cares about the making it rain, the confetti. I gotta come up with some more stuff. I want to do sound effects. People have like sound effects if you like donate, it just makes sounds happen. I want to do that too. Wait, what? Restart. Do something, stream avatars. What'd I build you for? You're not gonna work. Hey, Scotch tasting. Oh, here we go. Indie pawn codes. Time for the Scotch tasting. It's okay, I can breathe today. Wait. That's your avatar's on there, right? Yeah. It's the box one, right? PHP official. Okay. Okay. So what do we got? We'll start with the smell. Ooh, it's different today. Probably because I'm stuffed. I'm getting... You guys know... Have you ever... I don't know, you guys are pretty young. Do you know that bubble balloon, liquid balloon tubes that they have this material inside them? They're little metal tubes, and you squish them out onto a little straw and you can blow them and it makes this like balloon that you can kind of touch and pop. It's kind of like plasticky. Have you ever seen that material? I mean, that toy before? It's an old one. I don't know if they have it. Yeah. You know the smell. You remember? It's a very distinct smell, right? That's what this smells like right now. If you smell like really deep, like... Now, if you get your nose in there and go really like soft breathing in, you get caramel for sure. Maybe even cherry. Yeah, a little cherry, a little caramel. Okay, now the taste. Nail the oakiness, which is very interesting. I mean, this is Lafroig. This is the same peaty scotch that I've been drinking. And for some reason, because of my congestion level, it's very oaky. Not a lot of peat. Peat must be a specific flavor for a full, non-congested body. Yeah, I'm getting like an oak, plastic, balloon toy, little burnt rubber, not as much as usual because of the peat. Yes, Seashell is streaming. I was on his stream right before this. I just jumped over. Yeah, he's working on Chronicles of Orbem, which is the new name for his game. Yeah, he's been working on his weapons. He chooses to work on his weapons the same. You know what? He's copying me, man. Everybody tell him that he's copying me. First of all, I play chess on stream. He immediately starts playing chess on stream. I start working on my weapons. He starts working on his weapons. He sees that I have millions and millions of followers, and he wants to, you know, recreate that success. And that's fine. I don't mind being an inspiration for other streamers and game developers. Everybody deserves success. I think it's admiration. I don't think it's jealousy. Seeing how long I can hold this narrative. Yeah, you know, sometimes you can just be super stoked on somebody and you just want to emulate them. And that's Seashell. He's all up in my business. Hey, Lokesh Art, what is going on, my friend? Welcome to the party. We're gonna have to get you on Twitch sometime, Lokesh Art, so we can get you a floating avatar above my head. Orbem of Chronicles. Just completely different. Yeah, that works. We just need a whole genre of Orbem-like games. You know? Like how they have like roguelike and they have Souls-like. It's gonna be Orbem-like games. I don't know what that's gonna be, but anything based in the Orbem universe is Orbem-like game. And so far there is not even one out there right now. Because my game on production is broken. Because I made changes and I cannot undo them. Orbem the game. The movie, the game. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, you know how all like those Disney movie video games they come out with? It's gonna be like Orbem the movie, the game. I don't know. I got hit up by the movie producers that are coming out with the Minecraft movie, because they were asking when Orbem Explorer is going to come out so that they can make a movie on that instead. And I told them, you know what, I'm not there yet. I don't even have a demo. You know, it's going to take a while. You should probably just come up with another project. So they went for Minecraft, which, you know, is fine. It just sucks because they were going to use Jack Black for my game as well, my movie. Jack Black was going to be John. So, probably not going to be able to use him again. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. You know, there's still time. Most giant book series don't get movie adaptations or show up adaptations for years after the book has already been out and successful, you know what I mean? Which sucks. I mean, some of them get them pretty quickly, like The Martian, you know what I mean? Lightning Strike, you know? Super success. Gotta make a movie right away. Aragon. I think the movie took a little while to come out, but Harry Potter, that took a little while too. Honestly, I have thought about this before, like the Orbem movie, because my book series is kind of like comedic undertones the entire time. It's a little bit silly, but it still has like a lot of, you know, action and whatever major effects. I wanted the director to be the director who did Tenacious D and The Pick of Destiny. I think that if he did an epic fantasy movie, you know, I'd love for him to do my movie. I think it'd be really good, really hilarious. Whiteboard to shiteboard. I like, yeah, I mean, whiteboards are shite, so shiteboard works. They're a different color, but not quite white. They're off whiteboards. But yeah, we're working on charge attack animation. This is the final hurrah. And then we have to make, we have to add some logic that kind of changes, you know, the value of the attack based off of the value of the hit based off the attack. Because right now inside of, nope. Inside of... Come on, you dick. Let me in. I'm not logged in. I see the problem and I will solve it. So, before I was so rudely interrupted by not being logged in. Motherfucker, why aren't you letting me in? Why am I being redirected? What the nut? Oh. I was still logged out. That's weird. Yeah, okay. Is it alright if I go inside my dashboard now? Thanks. So yeah, if you go to weapons, I define a value right here. Ooh. I mean, I have an option to define a value. And that's going to be how much damage it does. That being said, how much damage a weapon does is also... I was going to say it's based off of the person you're hitting, but maybe it's not, I guess. I guess it does the same amount of damage, just some people have higher health bars. Yeah, okay. No, I'm being dumb. Ooh, go shiteboarding. Dude, I haven't been shiteboarding in so long. Oh no, I'm thinking skimboarding. You know, when you go to the beach. Wait, you guys live near New York? There's beaches? There's beaches in New York, right? You've all been to a beach, right? Skimboarding, man. The most dangerous, coolest beach activity, in my opinion. Dangerous for other people, mostly. I mean, falling off kind of hurts, but riding that shit in to a wave and then go and jumping off the wave is really fun. We're being bombarded with Orbem emotes. So yeah, my point with showing this is I need to add a couple more custom fields because I want to have a different attack number. I guess I can just hard code it. So we can have a base value, and then for the heavy attack, maybe go up a percentage. Yeah. So it'll be like plus 10%, and then a charged attack will be like plus 20%. Yeah, I want to do a percentage because if you're wearing armor or something that makes your attack higher, then no, because they'll make the percentage higher. Okay. No, yeah, we can just we'll have the base. Nah, it's got to be a percentage. Let's do that. So we're gonna add some new meta box fields real quick. And this is gonna be for say it ain't so. Whoa, whoa. Explore weapons. Say it ain't so. Whoa, whoa. Dude, I was listening to Tom Sawyer today. It's gonna be a fun one. You're gonna get to hear some serious 80 vocals from me. Which you all know is possible. And this is gonna be... You hate web dev. Eat the stupidest thing ever. Rude. This video will be interesting, and how do I stop recording? Me. You know, I don't mind video editing. I think my problem is I love doing everything that I do individually. I love doing photo retouching, graphic design, video editing, sound editing, recording, programming, game development, web development. I love doing them all separately, but you know, when I have to do all of them or like 3 or 4 of them back to back throughout the day, it's, you know, code switching, it's just really hard. Alright, go for it. What are they doing? Oh yeah. So we need to add explore heavy, whatever. Explore heavy. I guess we should just make this an array, huh? I wonder if I can do that. I mean, I better just do it. So we should probably just make this an array. So it's like explore attack. All right, that's the array. But inside that array, is a subarray, which is heavy, charge, charged. And maybe we'll just add the normal. And we won't even use the value altogether. Maybe we can use value for something else. A girl you know got a nose job? I'm guessing this is a joke. I'm ready. When you complimented her, she said, "Oh, I didn't do it for me. I just didn't want my kids to be born with big noses." Stupid. I've heard that joke before. That's pretty funny. That's a good one. Wait, what? Oh. Right. Wait, what? Get metadata. By default, it returns mission and minigame. Oh, because those aren't specific. Okay, got it. Yeah, yeah. Alright, so let's give that a shot. Now that we have the metadata, we'll do metadata weapons. Doopa 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 doo. Nope, explore weapons. Why did you get that wrong? And we will add that to this array. No. Why do you keep doing the wrong thing? There we go. Cool. Now, the key is, okay, good. Yeah, the key is what you're getting. So that's fine. Wait, no. We gotta do this. Oop. Meta value. What? Why does it not want to finish what I want? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so the key is what we want from this array, right? Yes. No. Wait. What is this doing? Key. Key. No. We want the value. So this might not work. The value... Oh no, the value for this one is an array. Shit. Shite. Yeah, I might have to change what I'm doing. So if we just do this. Then maybe... Oh, okay, yeah, it's adding the values. I wonder if I could just get the key. Array keys. I can check. So if true equals is array, meta key, then meta key equals no. Array keys meta key. And that'll just be... No, I'll grab the first one. Oh. Yeah. Well, it's not technically an array. Yes, it is. Right? It's... Yes. No. No. It's just a key value pair. I'm confusing myself. I don't know why. So blah, key, value. Yeah, see, it's an array. So the value is an array. Oh, but we're grabbing it from here, so then we're passing in an array. So the first value is this, which is a key value pair. I'm confusing myself. Whatever, we'll just try it out. We'll see what happens. This will be good for the future, though. So I want to get this right. It is weird that the symbol for laser show is the rock symbol. You think there'd be like fire blowing up in the background, maybe like some rock and roll pyrotechnics or something. That would make more sense to me. TBH. Wait, what happened to the third avatar? How did we lose it? We lost it after... Oh, there he is. What are you doing? Hanging out off stream. Almost a 5K. Woo woo. What up? Okay, so we got the weapons. We're going through it. If it's an array, we want to get the key of the value. So we know that this is an array of arrays. And we're going through it. Now we're merging it. So these are just value, 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 array. I think it's an array. Okay. I think this is right. And we just want the key. For this, we just want the key. Alright. And then pour this. We're gonna get the meta values are down here. Okay, so we're gonna go based off a cut scene for this one. And we're gonna go boop. We're gonna go weapons. So if that's the post type, then we're gonna get explore. Attack, I think I said. And if it's gonna explore attack. This isn't very dynamic doing it this way. Like I should be getting this from an array from this. Cutscene minigame is not a post type. What? What am I doing here? Wait, what? How is this even working? Uh-oh. I don't know how this is working. Get metadata. Post type does not exist. So it must be returning nothing, just minigame and explore mission. What? How is this even working? Okay. What would you do if you cheered 100,000 bits right now? That's $100 directly to your bank account. What would I do? Well, it doesn't go direct to my bank account. But I would, I don't know. I'd give you an instant metal cover, first off. Because that's a massive donation. And I'd put it in a college fund for you. Just kidding. I don't know. I would be confused. I'll be like, isn't there anything better you can spend your money on? I keep getting notifications every time The Rock, you know, Dwayne The Rock Johnson, comments on Instagram posts. And it's weird, but it's weirder, not weirder, it's really interesting to think of the people he's commenting on, like what their reaction would be to have The Rock randomly commenting on your posts. I mean, it seems like a lot of them maybe are, you know, popular, obviously. But I haven't looked at all of them. Some of them might just be random people. I don't know. But it's just like so interesting. I don't know why I keep getting notified about it. I must be following him. But I don't even really use Instagram, so. Okay. So the problem with this one is this is not. It's either minigame or cutscene. So I'm confused. If this is cutscene metadata, then this should be just cutscene. So I think that has been broken this whole time. Good to know. And we're going through this meta. And we're sanitizing. Filter input. Oh yeah, see, key. Okay, so I am doing that dynamically. Wait, what? Wait, what? I'm so confused. Cutscene metadata. What am I doing here? This doesn't even make any sense. Maybe I started building this part and it... No, because the cutscene has a minigame option now. That's how I added the ability to start a minigame on cutscene. But how is it saving like this? Because this is bonkers right now. What I should be doing is this. And not this. Oh. Maybe that's why it's working. No. I mean, it shouldn't be working because this was wrong. But this is unnecessary. This is unnecessary. Right. This is unnecessary. So this is weapon metadata. I think so. I could be destroying everything I created. Weapons. Orbem, you have a joke. Okay. You know I love your long joke stack, dude. Go for it. Let's hear it. Okay. You got it. I'm going to say I'm a man after everything you say. Shoot. You go to a bar, I'm a man. Wait, do I have to read what you're saying and say I'm a man? Or just say I'm a man? I'll just add I'm a man to the after everything you say. You go to a bar, I'm a man. I have to blow my nose. Okay. Oh, just say I'm a man. Okay, got it. Sorry. I'm a man. I guess I could technically just array merge these all together, just like I did above. No. Oh, it's per post type. That's why. Okay. Yeah. And I guess I could just put post type though. Oh, but it might be the wrong post type. No, it shouldn't matter though. Yeah, maybe we'll just put post type. You see a beautiful lady at a bar. I'm a man. You take her home. I'm a man. Post type. PT. You sleep together. I'm a man. You wake up the next day and she's still next to you in bed. I'm a man. She looks at you and says, I'm a man. Damn, son. That is... Wait. See, yeah, I should just be adding this. To metadata. And then that'll just take care of everything. Right? Right? Compile metadata. Yeah, but metadata's coming from inputs. Inputs. Wait, where's metadata coming from? Well, first off, I need to add explore weapons to this bad boy. Okay, metadata. Get metadata. Right. So get metadata is pretty much doing the same junk as the other stuff I'm doing. Okay. But these are specific metadata that's being saved depending on what post type you're at. But that's why I think I can just do this. Yeah, I can just do this like one for all method right here. So we'll do this, right? Oop. Like I don't care what post type it is. And then if false or if true equals is array pt metadata, then do that. And this is post type specific. Get post type specific metadata arrays. Yeah. English teacher. Okay, class. What's the opposite of this sentence? Children in the dark make mistakes. Stupid kid. Mistakes in the dark make children. Nice. That's a smart kid. What else would it be? Adults in the light do the right thing. Is that the opposite? So let's get rid of this. Because I don't think I need this. See, this is what I'm confused about. getting filter input post, but I'm getting this from this already. That's why the fuck am I doing this twice? Like, who? This doesn't make any sense to me. I might be breaking this right now, but my logic just doesn't make any sense. So inputs are good, and then metadata is good. So we're doing both, and the inputs. Yeah. You going to bed? All right, cool, man. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in the next one. I know, right? Sleep is for the weak. Just kidding. I took a nap today. I just kept taking longer and longer nap until I'm like, okay, I gotta get up. Alright. I want to test this. It should technically work. I mean, for the array one, it won't work, so I have to do the same thing as array. You know, check if it's an array, like this. Right here. So if the output is an array, no. Yeah, this one. I mean, I probably have to do it for both, but we'll do it for this one. So, if key, then key. There we go. Key. Alright, I have a feeling this is gonna work. First try. Yo. Lookish Art jumped in the YouTube Shorts live feed randomly. Okay. Let's refresh this and see if we get some... What the hell just happened? Do not log me out again. God damn it. What is happening? Wait, I'm not logged out. Why are you breaking? What the hell is this? What the hell is going on with my local? What did you do? Uh-oh. When did the PHP version update? Oh, I think 8.2. Wait, what? I think 8.2 is the one. Question. What's up? Okay. So I'm logged. Oh, I logged out. Whoops. Okay, I'm logged in. Don't let me go. Why won't it let me go to the admin? I'm logged in. Okay, now let me go in the admin. I don't get what's happening. Oh, okay. Now it works. What the fuck? Is it because I created a SSL or something? Did you ever develop a website for a church? Because I was looking at my church website and it was made in WordPress. Oh, nice. I think I've worked on a website for a church. Like they already had a website and I had to work on some bugs they were having, but no, I haven't like built a church website before. Doesn't really matter what website I build though. I have built a website for Satan. No, I'm just kidding. That would be a conflict of interest. Where am I? Weapon. Oh wait, I'm doing the wrong thing. It's weapon, not weapons. God damn it. Weapon. I don't know why I keep thinking it's weapons. Weapon. 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 Alright, there we go. Do I remember the name of the church? No. No, it was a Craigslist job. If I remember correctly. No, it's probably not your church. I think it was a California church. I was still kind of looking around LA at the time. Okay. Katana. So we don't... Oh yeah, I gotta actually create the damn... Oh, crap. Why did I click that? Okay. So now let's go to the MetaBox template. Which it would be nice if this automatically got created too, but... It's gonna take a lot more development than I want to do right now. Explore weapon. Okay, so I don't have one for explore weapon, so let's go ahead and add one. Actually, let's not do it here. Yeah, let's do an undervalue. And we'll do weapon. Okay, so the values we need are going to be part of an array, which, where's the values? Yeah, it's going to be like this. Except for it's going to be numbers, not... Yeah, it's going to be like this. It's gonna be like this. Yeah, okay, that's gonna be normal. Let's do a quick title. It's gonna be attack, strength. We'll do normal. We'll do heavy, and we'll do charged. This is gonna be attack. Normal. Attack. Normal. This is going to be values. And this will be explore, attack. And another array will be normal. Perfecto. Perfectos. Perfectos mundos. I am perfectos. Alright. We'll do normal. We'll do heavy. Oops, heavy. This should be quite great. And then charged. You saw bikini streamer on my feed. Translate that from Japanese to English to know what it says. Deal. Let's see what that says. Because I don't speak kanji. Japanese to English. Such people have a strong sexual desire. Sayata hito wa sayayuko ga suyo. I agree. It's kind of long for a name. So now we should have this. I'm interested if this is going to work or not. My first gut inclination is that it will not work. Well, there we go. Explore attack, array key, not working. Okay, well, first of all, did I even spell that right? Explore attack, I did. Normal, heavy, charged. Okay, cool. So, technically it's good. But let's go to the actual Thangalang, which is right here. And basically... Ooh, I typed. So, I'm doing this, which is merging all of this. I guess I could use post type for this as well and just... Because you don't need all of this available. It should just be the post type that you're currently on, right? Like, why would you need all of these? You wouldn't need all of these. So let's just do this. I know I'm changing everything up. We'll just do metadata PT. And then the only things we'll merge together are the PT and the metadata. Alright. Much better. So it'll just be one at a time, you know, I don't need to grab all that information. So, this is where I'm not quite sure if this works. So let's go bop bop bop. Meta key. Oh, let's do it in here actually. See what this gets. Meta key. Exit. Because I just want to be able to see this real quick. And it should be not working at all. Correct. Though I am interested what this is. Nothing. So I am interested in what this is then. Nothing. Interesting. Why are you nothing? I mean, it should be something, right? What if I put it up here? What if it's just var dump meta key exit? Just do the first one. Maybe the array merge is not working. It's very possible. Alright, let's see what we're getting up here then. You know, this would be a good time to use xdebug. So let's turn that on. Let's put a Thangalang right around here. Okay. And then let's turn it on here. And let's refresh. Okay, let's see if it's loading. Looks like we'll do continue. Okay. No! It skipped. Why did it skip? I think because I'm clicking the wrong button. Oh god, that scared me. My dog just scared the crap out of me. Stop all. Stop all. Quit. 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 Okay. Let's restart. Yes. Okay. Let's try again. Go. Okay. And now we're going to continue. Continue. There we go. Okay, so what are we getting around here? This is what I want to see. So we're getting minigame, nothing. Explore mission, nothing. Oh, and we're just getting a meta key of 0. Interesting. That's not what we want. Who's got slapped hard across the face? But he had it coming. What? Did he? Pop, pop, pop. Okay. Yeah, see, this is where I'm confused. Oh, okay, so it's saying that this is an array. Okay. Yeah, this is an array. The value of this is an array. Okay. Okay, so the key should still work then. Is that what we're saying? So if I got rid of this, it should still work? Maybe? Let's try again. Season 1, Episode 4. I sometimes hide her feelings in Russian. Oh. Damn, she got slapped. That's rough. I feel bad for her. But sometimes it must be done. What's going on? Did it just go all the way through? No? It just died? Why did you die on me? Oops. Continue. Continue. Okay. Let's try again. That's kind of weird. Obviously something's dying. She didn't get slapped. It was her crush Kuz who got slapped. Oh, sorry. I don't know people's names. My bad. What is happening? So it's acting like it's not even hitting. Okay, why aren't you getting hit now? Oh, maybe this is dying. So this is probably airing out, is my guess. It's just, what is happening? Then, I say. Okay, so this is coming out as bop bop bop, and then here it's getting hit. Sure. So it worked for the first one. And if we do it again, it should work for the second one. Okay. But if we do it for the third one. Yeah, see? Oh, okay. No, look, it's working. Wait, what? Metadata is blah blah blah. Explore attack. Yes. Meta key currently is this. Okay. That's not what we want. We want the key. Yeah, see, I think that's the problem, is metadata. Which I think I only need the key for this. Right? Yeah. Maybe. Maybe not. No, I need values. Yeah. Yeah, I think I just need the key for this. So in that case, how do I get that to just be the key? I thought using meta key would work, but I guess it didn't work. What if we do this? Array keys for this. Oh, but it has to be an array. If metadata bt. So if true equals is array, then let's do metadata bt equals array keys metadata pt. Let's at least see what we're getting there. Yeah, let's see what that does. After pain and suffering, you're done editing. Sick. My guess is this will give me the key, but I could be wrong, so. Let's try again. Go. Pop. Pop. Okay, so now metadata pt equals explore attack. Okay, so that's good. And now, boop, boop, boop. Yes, I think that's it. I think that's it. So if we continue, we got explore mission, we got explore attack. Awesome. And the value is nothing. Great. All right, perfect. So we can turn this off now. And we should be good to go. Back to terminal. Xdebug for the win. It is very useful. Just takes more time. It's got a lot more information. Alright, well now we're getting an error. So let's double check what we have. So this should now be working. Though my guess is it's gonna be empty. So what I need is a default. Alright, Dak dude. Thanks for hanging out, man. We'll see you tomorrow. My guess is what I want to do is this. I need a default if it doesn't exist. Meta value. So we'll do that. And then we'll do false equals empty meta value. Meta value other than meta. Otherwise, we'll just do false. Right? So if the meta key has nothing, it'll be false. And then in here, anything with values, I need to check if it's false or not first. So we'll do echo false is not equal values. There we go. Oh, well, it should be this. False equals value this. There we go. Much better. And we'll do the same for all of these. This will be heavy. Oh, no. My bad. Heavy. And this will be charged. Alright, see if that fixes it. It do. There we go. Ta-da. Great. So attack strength. Now we have this. Let's see if it saves. That would be the ultimate. So we'll do, this takes 20 damage. This takes 30 damage, and this takes 50 damage. Alright, so far so good. Let's see if it saved. It did not. Does it ever save first try? No. It do not. Alright, let's double check what the HTML looks like. Looks good. Okay, explore attack. That being said, let's double check the database. The next video will be, what the hell is Jalab? Nice. I agree. What the hell is Jalab? And how can I get my hands on it? Post meta. Okay. So it didn't save. Good. That means there's something wrong with the save. Here's explore weapon. Cool, cool, cool. And we'll go down to where we're supposed to be saving. Now, what should be happening is it goes to here. Where we solve this. It's is array true. Then do no. Yeah, if is array is true, then go through the metadata with the key. If the key is an array, then we just do array keys. Is that what I did for the other one? I did, yeah, just array keys. Alright, let's try it again. You're not good at editing, but you tried? Yeah, you get better. You just kind of get a rhythm. You get used to it. Just learn hotkeys too. Try to figure out things that make things faster. 20, 30, 50. Save! Yeah, right. Let's try again. Did it save this time? It did not. Did it save the database? It did not. Bummer. Alright, why? God damn it, stop doing that. So, what should be I guess we're gonna have to turn XDebug back on. So, you're going back on. You're going back on. Okay. Now we'll run this. But we mainly want to see this part, which might not work actually, now that I think about it. Wait. jobs you don't run. You're using KDen Live? Never heard of it. Is it good? Alright, so let's do 20, 30, 50. Now let's see what happens. Go. Go. Aha, there we go. Good, I'm glad that worked. The same people that made your WM. Nice. Okay, so this is coming out as PT is Explore Tech, correct. Okay, that's getting the metadata, so we have the metadata. If is array, true, yes. So key is coming up as 0, 1, 2. That's not what I want. That would be the problem. So ultimately what I want is post type. I want the key, which in this case, grabbing it based off of that, it should just be the value. I shouldn't have to be looping at all. So this for each is unnecessary. It was only necessary if I was grabbing everything at once. Right? Right. Key equals array crease. Wait, what? I mean, it will not be an array. Oh, it might be an array. Yeah, correct. So we'll do this instead. Bop, bop. Otherwise, bop. So we don't need this. Oh, wait. It's PT metadata. Okay. PT metadata. Otherwise, PT metadata. Great. This should be it. Alright, let's try again. Bop. Fail, fail, fail. Okay, let's just fail. Fail. Okay, try again. Do. Bop. 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 Let me through. Let me through. Oh, come on. What is it doing? Okay, whatever. Oh. 20, 30, 50. Save. Okay, go. 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 I have a feeling this is not working. Why is it going so many times? Alright, terminate, correct. Terminate. What's going on? Alright, let's cancel this out. Okay, you are canceled. Okay, let's try this again. So let's save now. Okay, go. Show me the save. There we go. God, why was that so hard? Correct. Key equals explore attack. Perfect. This is what I wanted. Oh, look at that. 2000. Oh, look at that. Explore height. Does explore attack come in? Let's see. Explore attack. I am not seeing it, but it should be. I wonder why explore attack's not coming through. Alright. Well, let's see if it's working now. It uploaded. Hell yeah. 20, 30, 50. Save. Yeah, okay, let's see if that worked. What is dying on me? Nothing. Damn it. Did it save to the database? No change. God damn it. Why is this still not working? Okay, what is going on here? So now we're getting the right key. Explore attack. That should be coming in the input posts. No. Yes. Yes, it should be coming in. Oh, this might not work because it's an array. Shit. I might have to say sorry about it and get rid of that. And what is going on with this key? Illegal key type. Why is that illegal? Oh. But it's not an array. Expect parameter type of string. Okay, so array keys is giving me the, but it must be wrong. Okay. Okay, maybe that was it. Alright, let's try it again. Your YouTube is... Oh yeah, Lil Evie, if you want to see the video. Yeah, I think I've seen that. Your channel. I'll check it out again. I think I subscribed, right? Alright, did it do something? Did it work? Doesn't like loading the first try. It did not. Oh, but we got the save. Hell yeah. Great. Okay, so we have something. It's just not giving me the right value. It should be, though. So the key's coming in, which is good. Is array is already true at this point. Oh. Oh, correct. Right. Right. I don't need to check that. Oh, I think I was checking it before because it was a for each. Okay. I think I should check here if... Oh shit. Yeah, I gotta change this. PT key. Oh, filter input. Shoot, I need to see if the value coming in is an array. Damn. How do I know if the input's coming in as an array or not? I guess I can check if this is an array. Let's see. So if true equals is array, then we need to use filter input array. Right. Which I believe I use other places. Yeah, right here. I gotta do something like this. Correct. Which is not this. It's that. Okay. Otherwise, that. Grand. Yeah, right. Alright. Let's see if this works. Should work. Exactly 4 minutes. That's pretty good. It's a good time. Not too long. Save. Okay. Did it work? Did it work? It did not. Getting a little frustrated here. How do we do it? Oh, I think I'm doing it wrong. No, yeah. The key. Okay, hold on. Let's take this whole thing. I think I'm just doing it wrong. Alright. And this is the PT key. There we go. Okay, now this should be right. Okay, that's why it had 2 before. Okay. This should work now. Oops. There's a lot of that guy in the shape board in the video to fill the black void of the video. Nice. $20, $30, $50. Save. I think we have a winner. Oh, nice. You got something. Aha, look at that. Oh, that's right, I forgot. Saving as an array does that shit. God damn it. I really should not do that. How do I avoid that? What if I try doing this? PT key. So it just saves the array. It doesn't fuck around. Let's see if that works or if that breaks everything. So we'll go 20. 30. Just blow past all these errors. Oh, god damn it. I hate UI sometimes. This. Shapeboard. That's good. 20. 30. 50. Go. Okay. Did it fix? Aha! Okay, okay. This is good. Great. So now it should actually work. Yep. We got it. Check it out. We have values. These bottom values are correct. Hell yeah. Okay. Awesome. That's good. And now we can add arrays to the automatic meta box stuff. Success. So, what does that mean for us? Well, that means that we have the ability to save the attack power for each thing. Yeah, I like that it's modular, so that means most other weapons can have like stronger charged attacks, but smaller weapons might not have a really strong charged attack. Maybe, or their heavy attack might not be that much stronger because they're light. But big weapons could have, you know, a much stronger charged attack. And yeah, so that's good. Now, how do I apply that? Basically, I'm just going to put it on the actual weapon itself. So, like, if we go to the weapon, yeah, it's just going to have to be another data point. Part of the stored shit. So, like, weapon. Yeah, so weapon. Where do I store the weapon information? I do it somewhere. So I know I make it collectible, but how do I store like the weapon data? Do I store it? I guess I don't. Maybe on equip I should do. Like what is the data stored on this right now? Yeah, because I know we're storing, yeah, data height and width. That's new. How's that getting stored though? Like how am I adding that? Oh, I guess height and width is stored. I did add that as just a default, something to add at a data point. Okay. So now we need to add a new one called, you know, attack strength. And we can do that as a JSON array the same way. JSON. Encode. Yeah, like walking path, like this. So we can do this, and then we can do... Where is weapon? V equals L times length times width times height. Correct. Alright. I'm done. Yeah, it's kind of a dead night. I could use the sleep. I got a lot to do tomorrow to catch up on the renovations and work. Let's do a raid. I know we don't really have anybody but you and me, but let's do it anyways. Yeah, I like your own video, man. Let's raid some motherfucker. Is Seashell still on? Yeah, we're raiding Seashell. Because he thinks he can stream without being raided. Alright, man. Thanks for hanging out. You know, we'll finish this up. Do some more work tomorrow. And, happy... Oh, it's Friday Eve now. Alright, man. Catch ya. Yeah, I know. I didn't hang out with Krajan today. I wanna make a surprise next time. So we're gonna hit him maybe tomorrow. Peace.
Accuracy. Let's see.